you go vomit. If you get your heart problem, sorry problem, they swam, you go start you go burst cry like Bamileke man, you cry that. Move all close to skin. Well, if you get inside your personal trouble, them they swam, you go tear close for skin. It doesn't matter then. But the other side, people they send me message, more interview talk say after on sound up for television today, say this so make a leave people them quiet. They know journalism pass me. I never deny. No journalism pass me. I never deny. But the only thing I say, learn how for write and then report for English, grammar, French. Then present news too for English and French. You go be a journalist. Because I don't say any person will talk on microphone say the journalist contribute. It doesn't matter too. As I say when I finish talk now, come on for years so Matilda Kemazu go crack my head. See I no be get for talk like I can talk. But the answer now according to where they come, he said this matter to contribute. And for this issue them, people then talk since weekend, say me and King Solomon Amabo, we don't go bribe National Communication Council. But they sanction people then. We get which money for bribe Bishop, bribe Peter Isoka, bribe Chalinjicha, bribe Jean-Claude Lutu, we get which money? I simply write my own complaint personally because I feel they cost me for Kosh TV. Right, I'm saying now. Other people write their own saying now. The film will take images them, will send them to for they look at all before they sanction. It doesn't matter. Anywhere, anyhow a day, any man in Banga, na oya. Country people then. That producer for film, realizer the film where they so don't kidnap it since 1 week today for Yaoundé. Jimeli, Fofie, Richard. People they hold Dongamen for Bamenda. When a film producer them talk 70. Say so government they encourage people them for continue for perform inside film industry for Cameroon. But one talk so one don't take heart. Now still political according to government. A name Elvis Nulem decided to talk about marriage à Oris. That means so marriage between Anglophone Cameroon and Francophone Cameroon them. Where they so na total big reason because all trouble now so country people they say this matter when a horizon movie. Usabi say last 2 weeks we talk about 139 les derniers prédateurs after they kidnap where they call in French in enlèvement for the producer. We talk today about horizon movie where they don't come out mariage à Oris and na Elvis Nulem. When you talk say the launch on this Saturday so for Douala inside the matter. By the way, we know say when we again tomorrow say don't enlever kidnap for this matter to contribute. Wonderful pattern. Or the gift now this matter will happen. Can't wait. My banda girl no be okra. My banda no be okra. We turn at you a day. You don't turn a country to 1 year. You turn a French for the year and for year. And say the matter in so country. Wonderful matters to talk about and for you so. Talk something. Pom sur Vuri. As I talk for them now, they remove one die body for day. And a man picking their body. And then they remove taxi now. Pulling what, drawing water from the world, they move taxi. We not hear what happened for Pong Slovri yesterday. We not hear about the bandit they beat and kill them for New Bell. We not hear about Kade the way 3 bandit them. They make braquage for filling station. We not hear to their body for Bepanda and Noximbi. Then we go talk about Bafanji and Balikumbat, their trouble them. Country people them. On a seen that they vote senators them. Senatorial 2014 for number 14 day for this month. Also the office day where they go be. On a see chantier where Roland a concern for we. All this one. Now inside Pidgin, TV News, Equinox Television with me. Eze. Ekuleku. The only Eze where they never suspend them for now. And the program Pidgin News still there on. Doesn't matter so contribute them. We bow down. Matilda, I clap for myself, say that be monitor lizard. Now monitor lizard where they jump from sky, Baobab tree, land down, clap, shake your head till you clap for yourself. I need clap for myself. Me too. They fit suspend me tomorrow, but the only difference I say, I go fit for present news for French and English. I go report to French and English. No be only country talk. Women fit talk. Ombanga French. You there? Okay. Same story for today. Same story for today. Tree where it deny for dance. When breeze blow, it must to dance. Same story for today. Tree where it deny for dance. When breeze blow, it must to dance. Untouchable magic touch for Boya. When a senior lecturer for GHS, Idinao, Nche Francis. Thank you very much for this one. Thank you for that, Tori. Una Tori na talk security. Pumps will ovary, as I tell you, so they don't move their body for one person. And that person, na man picking. So we need to verify whether true and true upon true. Now be taxi driver, they say in name na Merlin. When a lanceur, when they give taxi, day before he say for night. He gave for come back taxi yesterday morning after he don't work the whole night. He want to make dernier lancement. He go for inside bridge. Now so the day for bridge, they move taxi. But the problem started yesterday, 7 o'clock for morning time. Now it is. Now for the bridges country people them. As they talk so, I say, Massa, taxi people they can't stand don't yes na taxi. Solidarity they call as they talk about them. What on they come out Ben Skinner to do the camp. When I say any trouble for dollar Ben Skinner must be there. Ben Skinner must be there. Look up. When I want to see the play with the tire for motor pass, scratch on top of the iron bar, sape pompier the day for Dima, Jom. Ambulance will be there with the person when they call and say, Adjutant Chef Kemba, Julius, for do all thing now. Population there for Siam, then they prevent me traffic. You know, the thank God they been a Sunday. Bataillon d'intervention rapide bid, they didn't say what they find out. They find out. But after, they don't abandon, resign, they call now for Esongo. Esongo to a place where they so after limit they offshore. And after the way, this people say deep sea diver, them plongeur à haute mer. Now they were Colonel Adenquenti Hilary. He carried them camp, but they can't do their work. Ladies, we first here for the matter too. Now the interview person who ask the question, make it tell we wait it really happen. Una yet we talk. Matilda, you sorry, eh? Una yet?
I think for one person to go to the now I come back for one time for us to go come and see. Somebody if the cry for road, he say why I said taxi enter inside water. Now ask you say what there is for which day inside the water time say someone has taxi enter water. So that time I come down and say if it turn out because I see thing for motorway the enter road. So now we want to say marine they come so that they come.
You talk your own. Two person tell you. But the person where is here with the koro eye, people don't believe it. Now it is. Wait happen. It talk now for French. But all man hear French.
Moi c'est 92 parce que je n'ai pas su la matriculation de cette voiture. Je suis comment cette voiture entrer là-bas. Subitement j'ai crié, le même m'a dit à qui de l'autre côté derrière. Elle a crié. C'est là où nous sommes donc arrivés là-bas, il manquait un temps d'arrêt. Donc même pour 30 à 15 minutes pour aller voir l'aspect de cet accident-là. Et quand nous sommes donc arrivés, on a pu couper la voiture là-bas et pendant ce temps maintenant, alors il y avait l'un de nos collègues qui a voulu se déshabiller. Donc il s'est déshabillé quoi et tombé dans l'eau pour sauver ces gens-là. C'est les pionniers qui sont sauvés de l'eau de pont pour dans sa main pour venir le sauver et leur amener.
Una hear for the country people them about this chapter and this palaver too. We're gonna for afternoon and for afternoon now. Time where the marine, the plongeur they don't come for Esongo for Konalimbe come so wait happen for the unasiam. Now in that, everybody appear wonderfully. General Sani Hamadou. Immediately, turn now put intertab motor for go say allez-y de l'avant les gars. Put the way close now. Wear clothes for jump inside water. Then wear clothes for jump inside water. which can take place today inside the matter in so country people them look up wonderful palaver. Look up the first one now they go jump inside water, they start with say charm and say charm. Make they no go get no nothing. They no get no nothing. Look up. And then they fall inside water now for try to swim, go underwater, dive for this, so do work the way it's supposed to be, so country people them. Now them fall so enter inside water. Find them. Colonel, this man call and say Aden Quenti, he be there for corner. Quenti Hillary now, there for corner. So the 6:30 for even time they no meet up their body. As I talk for now. Now today so una look PG News tomorrow morning time for 8 o'clock. Because my cameraman will shoot up live and direct, no be the one they so I say or they told after they go talk say una take them una go sell them for you. We do 5 minutes news, no trouble, but we give the important news, we need the caution, we no be caution TV. Just any matter now, they don't move one day but you and a man picking. And they remove the taxi now, and then I leave my cameraman for day, make it bring me the image. I fix and fine. When I see them for Equinox television news for 8 o'clock evening time, 6 o'clock too. Then for morning time, when I go see them for Master Talk program for this. Not true. We be beggar. But if I for beg than for be illiterate. Country people are telling them not true. And people they talk, send the kind of message them. Let the sabi say they go need me for help someday. Than for the fight some kind of war no concern them country people inside the kind of matter and two. Now go for New Bell. What happened? They killed some bandits we go thief bottle gas with knife for two people them. Now this. Now that for New Bell they contribute them. Wait come happen today. New Bell mbang a window. And for here, they beat am skin and a knife they will be there for his skin. When they use them for aggressive people them for this. So they beat him now, take the knife, choke it with your own knife, he die. A catch with this with thief, 18 plus gas bottle. Who say come out down, the metal knife for your skin. Instead of matter in so country people. Wonderful thing. Now we go talk about this brave platoon for Kadede. Brave platoon for Kadede with 3 bandits they be there for that filling station for corner ancien étage for Kadede opposite pharmacie de Glycine. They take all money reserve, they take some clients for they to 400,000. Vamos, rain the fall. They go, they follow them to tell each other side for place where they call and say Chefferie Bonapriso. And then one benskin tied inside water, one bandit tied inside water. He said be Sakaba. So they catch it. The other one they run with money. For that matter, so contribute them. It didn't have for hand for police for commissariat deuxième. Commissaire Kenya. They ask the question for that side. Now, Popo, helele. Bepanda, Axelu, and Doximbi. They meet up their body them for day. Now this. This story building. They don't agree. Say my own dream mulu to put them. Carry go time for day. Throw it from up there. It fall down. Head open. Where a brother be the dream with you. Gendarme there for be panded. They come on a can hold up. Hold their body. Then they die. Say this is not supposed to be so contributing. Wonderful matter. So they drink with you for night. After that drinking now, anyone they go back for your own house. A woman they cry. A family members they cry for this. So wonderful kind of palaver place where they call and say be panda absolute country people them. Talk so and talk about so. Then now from Doximbi, this mattress when I see so in a room for some man where they say they work for Alpha Assurance. They broke the room because nobody here and them drink for Friday night, Saturday no see, Sunday no see. For one corner, and nobody talk about it. The one corner see so the hear smell. The one go open the lovers to see him say he don't die for day. Die for day on top of say swell that will happen for this country. People they matter on head talk about them. So maybe only that one we go for Bafanji. Bafanji and Balikumbat na neighbor like tongue and teeth. Bafanji they marry Balikumbat. Balikumbat they marry Bafanji. Na fi ask Makombi when a doctor for ancien for entrer be panadi. Where did it happen? How do we fight land palaver? 1971 we fight land palaver. After we first fight for 1969, they can't solve and try and go for court. We come again for 1995 for fight for 6 land. The Barry 1998 we try the same thing again. Now waiting they do for village. We don't again for number 22nd day for month of March we pass so. Beat Mamida for fun for 6 their farmland. Now this. Balikumba they don't come for big people there for number 22 day for 6 their land. So now their own. When a pangu for a family woman they work for this to contribute them. According to the law, the fight for the place with the sous-prefect camp, divisional officer for Balikumba subdivision, where population will not come with stick. So anyhow, we will fight for yes, so time without number because now we own. Inside this paragraph, so the dima for this thing, a sous-prefect that now deal that with the clothes, blue gown, blue this agbada for his skin, so contributing. We talk about them. Say this will not lift this chapter as it happens, so make it continue to happen for the way he did for this so contribute them. When I don't see no, we ask some mommy say, Mommy, how? Tell me what happened. They take what for you and how many people they become. Now here to mommy talk for Talk TV. Now here.
The name of the thing they were
now collect new one. Two something new one with my basket there for 2 pounds there with my shoulder. Oh, they don't carry with basket.
Now man became there on a woman.
Now man became there.
They will be at how many?
They be 10 people. They said 10 people. What they did? 10 people.
When I hear them country people, them will continue to tell about this chapter for Palava boundary and fight for ground between Bafanji and Balikumba. The way they so since we King David died, Balikumba to show me Mercedes the BC being a king for that side to country people. Them will talk about now. The Unabi asked me say make a show through all that station, radio and television station where they lock them or they sanction them for Sika Kongosa TV. Or physical Kosh TV. What do you matter? No, me. I die, Joe die. But I be complain like other people complain. So we take all the images now, send them. Then the people do their work. Now this. New TV, Vision Card, Ariane TV, Golden House. Look up, chaîne de télévision Averti, New TV, Vision Card, Ariane TV, Golden House, LTM, TBS. Physical publicity for them. Now this, Monseigneur Befeu Ateba, Peter Isuka, Charline Dicha, Jean-Claude Otu, all the video for this, Suzanne Kalobe, I go bribe who, I feel bribe who for you. I feel bribe who! It didn't matter, so contribute. Now that it comes for all news, all things, all man sabi, what happen. C'est this, so, on a aussi les programmes suspendus, idée pour les matter too. Des bannes total émission interdite définitivement canal détective IPP News n'est-ce pas? Donc la prière c'est ce présentateur suspendu. Il faut dire nous n'ami accrétam. Nous n'ami contribue. Suzanne Kalalo bon assis je so. Yes, Jean Wetitani, présentateur suspendu, présentateur canal détective 3 mois, présentateur IPP News 6 months. We don't want to hear a voice for any radio and any television. Now, Peter is organization also talk about Nami, Jean-Claude Otu, Naida Fikona. My own waiting for them. When they talk, I don't go bribe people there. And they don't say they will kill me for some corner. Not trouble, if you not see me, if you not, yes, I don't die. I know who ask my dad about Jimmy the Giona. It didn't matter so. In short, my dad no good day for my banda kumba. They go for day, I get person where they call it for they say Barisantuba. Barisantuba, they ready for die for me. Romain Joker and Didi, c'est the matter. Okay. Una the one vote senators then. Who said those? You say? Okay. I'll bring another one tomorrow day. Country people then. Matilda don't tell me say this, so don't cut. I don't know where I cut my salary on myself. It go better. Thank you, Matilda. Thank you, Inosabega doctor with the sick. Thank you too. When I call this number, it appear for now. So, when I want to show news 22 64 29 84. Now, if number that when I call Masa Talk, they can film any news they for na quarter on a shop. Thank you to Various for that side. Thank you, Leonard German. Thank all for the fidelity to Njomko. You know, this man calls Allen Zingi Azet. It's on one CPG news for internet. Now for 6:30 this evening time for www.equinox.ngrubu. Alain Zingi says a man for chèvre. It matters to contribute. Thank you, plenty. If you see my back, be ready for front while waiting. Bye bye.